I'm not a professional freelancer. What I mean is I'm not a online freelancer. I do take freelance projects locally. If somebody contacts me directly and asks me to create design or take up something to do with marketing, then I'll definitely take it up. But I'm not somebody who goes and posts uploads profiles in freelance websites. Okay. However, having said that, I wanted to try it out. So what I did was I created a gig in Fiverr, and this video is on that. You're going to learn how I was able to get my first Fiverr project by uploading a gig in Fiverr, and which are the tools that I used to create that particular gig. Okay, I'm not somebody who's going to spend a lot of time creating designs or doing something around marketing. I believe in uncomplicated designing and marketing, so even the tools that I use are simple tools and uncomplicated, which can help me get effective designs and marketing done, unlike other complicated designing softwares. Okay, so if you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer or somebody who's interested in designing or freelancing, then make sure you watch the video till the end. You'll get an idea of what happens when you upload your gig in Fiverr. Here we are. This is my Fiverr dashboard, and like you can see, I am not very regular in Fiverr. The last gig I did was about 2 months ago. That is when I was testing Fiverr, and after that I haven't uploaded much gigs. I'll show that to you. This one is 2 years. This is not a project that I did. This is something that I created. I had outsourced one of my work, and this guy had created some designs for me. That was like 2 years ago. Alright, so let me take you to the gigs that I've created. Alright, so these are the 3 gigs that I created. One was professional logo design. Now this has been here for about 3 months, and I haven't got a single project yet. Okay, so which means there is something wrong with this. It's either the cover. Let me just preview it. So this is one of my gigs that I uploaded. This is I will design 3 minimal and modern professional logo designs, and these are the 3 logos that I uploaded. And I haven't gotten any project yet. Maybe the designs are not okay. Maybe the landing page design is not okay. I'm not very sure about it. Okay, and the price, I have kept it very competitive. There is nothing you can do in Fiverr. You have to keep your prices down if you want projects. If you keep your price pretty high, and then it becomes very difficult for you to get projects, unless you are a seasoned freelancer. You have been doing freelancing for quite some time, and you are like a pro or a level 2 seller in Fiverr. Then you can get your price up, and you'll be able to get gigs. For that to happen, you need to have more logos added here. Unfortunately, you can only add 3, and after this, if it is adding any images, that will be of your work done. Okay, all Fiverr related projects. Let me show that. So this is not working out. I did not make any changes. I've left it like that because I am not very serious about creating logos in Fiverr, because there's a lot of competition and I don't want to spend a lot of time creating logo for this price. Okay, so I'll leave it. Next is this one. Now this one, if you notice, this also has been there for about 3 months, and I got one order. Like you can see, I've got a 5-star rating as well. I'll show you that design. Okay, let me preview it. Okay, so this is digital 3D digital mockup that I created. Now I did not create this mockup in Photoshop. Trust me. If I had used Photoshop, I would have spent at least like maybe a day to finish the mockup. I didn't do that. I created this mockup using Click Designs. This one. Okay, if you see here, box shots, if I click on box shots, there are all these different templates over here. So I selected a template and created the box shot over here. Let me close this. this close out of all these things. Okay, so this is something that I created first, and I added a nice little background to make it look nice. And then if you see the background over here and over here is the same thing. And this one, another box mockup, and another one. Okay, and this is the project I completed. You can see the review is over here. Okay, I created a nice little background, I added a table, and I did all of this. The box mockup I created in Click Designs, and the background, the table, all this I created in Canva. Okay, I added the table and I placed the box on top of the table and I made it look like this. Okay, just to give you an idea of the different designs that I created for this particular project, is the name of the digital product was called the Digital Footprint, and this was the company name, and this is what I had sent to the client. Okay, these are the 3 different options. Okay, this is what he liked and finalized. These were the options that I had sent. If you notice, all this was done through Canva. Only the box was created using Click Design. The background and all of these I created in Canva itself and placed the box over here. Cool, right? So that was a PDF I shared with the client and asked him to choose what he liked. He liked this, he finalized, and he paid me. He even tipped me. Okay, this is 864 was the basic thing. I think he purchased standard and got these things done. Says 2 days delivery. I was able to deliver it in a day itself because it was so easy. I used Click Design and Canva. Okay, so if you're somebody who would like to do freelancing and would like to create designs quickly, then I would highly recommend you subscribe into Click Design so that you can create all these beautiful looking mockups. It has a lot of options. Mockups for boxes, book cover mockups, sheet mockups, device mockups, like these. See, all these I created, and bundle mockups as well. These I created some bundle mockups as well. So there are templates that you can choose from. There are laptops, tablets, phones, and all different kinds of mockups which you can use for your own product, or you can take up projects in Fiverr and create bundle mockups. So what I'm planning to do now is I am thinking of see, even this, right? If you see, there are 274 impressions this month in the last 30 days, and I got only 4 clicks, which is not good. I need to get more clicks. Only if I get more clicks, that is when conversion can happen. You know, I should be getting much more than that. At least 15 to 20 clicks is what I'm looking at. And in that 15-20 clicks, I'll at least get maybe 1 or 2 projects. Okay, that is what I should be aiming. I have not been focusing on this much. That is why it is like this. Okay, I probably need to change the front cover of this. Maybe add a bundle like this. Maybe something like this, so that they know I also create bundles along with box mockups. I'll try that out and let's see how it goes. If it goes well, then I'll create another video on that so that you know how it went. Okay, and this is okay. 44 impressions and 1 clicks. This was an ebook cover, again created using this one. I created using okay, this was created with Canva only. The design I created in Canva and the mockup I created in Canva. Okay, I have Canva Pro subscription, so you may not get a lot of these mockup options if you are in Canva free subscription. So I highly recommend you, if you are using Canva, upgrade to Canva Pro. And if you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, here is the link. And there are also legal ways of getting Canva Pro for free. I have created a video on that. I'll leave the link on the top right hand side, your right hand side on this video, maybe on the top right. Okay, so check that out. If you are eligible, then there is a possibility you can get Canva Pro for free as well. Okay, free for lifetime. So here is the thing: is this good for entrepreneurs, for people who are building their business on the internet? Now, depends on what you're doing. If you are somebody who like freelancing and if you like to do this, there's a lot of competition in Fiverr. If I go to fiverr.com and okay, I'm signed in. Let's sign out of this. Okay. If I go to fiverr.com and let's say look for bundle mockup, okay, like that, you will see so many different people with gigs. Some are level 2 sellers, some already have good ratings and have done more than 200. Here is somebody who's done 1000 plus jobs and he's a level 2 seller. That is why his price is like up 3,885. But if you're starting up, then you have to start at the lowest price, like 864, because you can't compete with these guys. They already have reviews and stuff. If you're new, you probably have to get your price down. So it's like a market. You'll find it very difficult getting projects and earning. You have to be at it and consistently show up in Fiverr, add more gigs, and keep playing around with your first picture over here, okay, because this is what gets clicks. If the first picture is good, then there is a possibility somebody will click on it and give you the project. Okay, it's a lot of hard work and a lot of competition, so I am not for this, especially when you're starting up. Okay, it's easier to get projects locally, local businesses in your location, and run a Facebook ad that you create so and so designs for local businesses and you'll get projects and you can charge more than these. Okay, and that is one of the reason I'm not on Fiverr, but I will test Fiverr for some more time. Probably I'll create some 3D bundle and see how it goes. Okay, this is not something I would like to do, to be honest. I am more into creating digital products and selling it online, and that is what I would suggest you to do as well. Okay, easier things, easier way to create income stream than this online freelancing. So like Fiverr, there are other websites as well. You can try it out and see if you'll be able to do anything over there. Okay, and if you're somebody who wants to take up freelancing, that is something that you would like to do, then this is what you have to do. Okay, you will have to be consistent at it. Not just that, you'll have to learn on how to get more projects. That is one, and also these things. It says 3 steps to become top seller on Fiverr. So go through these things. There are some free courses on how to become successful seller, upgrade your skills, and be consistent at it. You have to put a lot of work into it and spend some time. And once you understand how Fiverr works, then you'll be able to build a successful freelance career, just like how these guys have done. But remember, you won't be able to put the pricing of your choice. It will be at a lower level. You can increase pricing once you have enough ratings and enough projects in your name. Okay, so if that is something that you want to do, go ahead and do it. But I would recommend that you use uncomplicated softwares than using softwares like Photoshop or anything for creating these kinds of gigs. Okay, these things can be created quickly through Click Designs and Canva. All right. So all the links are in the description if you want to check them out and if you want to know more about them. So that's about it. That is how I got my first gig in Fiverr. It took some time. After I posted, it took about 20 days, I think, till I got my first project. And after that, I haven't been active in Fiverr, and that is why I'm probably not getting projects. So if you're somebody who want to be serious with freelancing, then whatever I said, go through those videos, upgrade your skill, and understand how to become a successful seller in Fiverr. There's going to be a lot of hard work, there's going to be a lot of competition, but over a period of time you'll get better with it and you can build a successful career as an online freelancer. Okay, but having said that, make sure you also try getting projects locally by running ads to your Facebook page or to your website. Create a portfolio, build a website of your own, and run ads to it, and get some projects through that as well. Okay, that is a better way of doing freelancing, and you will have the opportunity to earn more by doing less projects. With Fiverr, you'll be busy all the time. Okay, and that is why I recommend uncomplicated softwares like Canva and Click Design, because you'll be able to create more designs in lesser time, which will give you the opportunity to earn more by taking up more projects. Okay, so that's it for today. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you would like to get more videos like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. I create videos around designing, marketing, and helping entrepreneurs like you start and build your business on the internet. Okay, if this is something you like, then make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. This is Santosh here. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.